In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your iPhone to read out loud the text on your screen. We'll look at how to get it to speak a selection that you choose, and then how to read out loud an entire page. To get started, let's first open the Settings app. Inside of Settings, scroll down and find and choose Accessibility. At the top of the page in the Vision section, tap Spoken Content. Here's where we have our text-to-speech settings. We'll first look at reading out loud just a selection. Turn on Speak Selection. Now to show you how this works, I'll head into the Messages app. Press and hold on the text bubble that you want to read aloud, and you'll now see Speak. Choose that, and then Siri is going to read the message out loud for you.
Enable super dark mode on iPhone.
This also works inside of anything else like Safari. I'll open Safari, choose the selection that I want to read out loud, and when the pop-up here appears, I'll scroll over until I see Speak.
Launching soon.
Next, let's look at a setting to read an entire page for us. Head back into the Spoken Content menu, and then turn on the second option, Speak Screen. Now to access this feature, you just need to swipe down from the top of your screen with 2 fingers. I'll head back into Messages and swipe down with 2 fingers, and you'll see that it reads the entire page for me.
Test. Your iMessage. Test.
And finally, in the Spoken Content screen, there's some additional settings that we can play with. You can turn on Highlight Content, which is going to highlight the text as it's being read. You can change the voice or the default language, the speaking rate of how fast or slow the text is being read out loud. These are all settings that you can go ahead and play with until you get it to where you like. And when you're finished, just close the Settings app. And that's how you get your iPhone to read text out loud.